Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurain Wahiba, and I will start the presentation with introduction of the Petronas. So, Petroleum National Berhad, or we call as a Petronas, is a famous Malaysian petroleum company that was created in 1974. It is one of the world's largest state-owned oil and gas corporation, and it is entirely controlled by the Malaysian government. Petronas operations span the whole value chain of the oil and gas sector, including exploration, production, refining, distribution, and marketing. It operates in more than 70 countries, despite focusing mostly on the Asia-Pacific area. As part of the commitment to entirely preservation, Petronas has made a major investment in renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power. It is devoted to good business practice and to have a positive impact on the community. So Petronas is a major participant in the oil and gas industry. The organization engaged in a wide variety of commercial operations and is dedicated to social responsibility and environmental sustainability. So I will pass to the next presenter to elaborate more on the topic.
My name is Nur Ainuddin Abdullah and I will continue to present my part, which is supply chain process in Petronas. Petronas supply chain process is a complex and integrated system that encompasses the entire life cycle of its products from upstream exploration and production to downstream marketing and sales. The process is designed to ensure that Petronas can deliver its product to customer in timely, efficient, cost-effective manner. The supply chain process can be broken down into the following key stages, which is exploration and production. Petronas upstream operations are responsible for finding and developing new oil and gas reserves. Once a reserve has been discovered, it must brought into production. This involves a number of steps, including drilling, completion, and well testing. The next supply chain process for Petronas is upstream logistics. Once oil and gas is produced, it must be transported to processing facilities. Petronas has a network of pipelines, tankers, and other transportation assets that is used to move its products. Processing also the one of important supply chain process of Petronas. Oil and gas that is produced from the ground is not ready for use. It must be processed to remove impurities and contaminants. Petronas has a number of processing facilities located around the world that are used to convert crude oil into a variety of products, including gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and petrochemicals. Sustainability and compliance is a part of supply chain process in Petronas. Petronas places importance on sustainability and compliance with environmental regulations. This involves implementing measures to minimize the environmental impact of operations, promoting responsible sourcing, and adhering to safety standards. The last supply chain process for Petronas is marketing and sales. Petronas markets and sells its products to customers around the world. The company has a team of experienced sales professionals who works with the customer to understand their needs and provide them with the products and service that they require. To summarize it, Petronas' supply chain process is a critical part of the company's operations. The company is committed to continuous improvement and is constantly looking for ways to make its supply chain more efficient and effective ways. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hazlin and now I'll be presenting about e-procurement. Before I explain about Petronas e-procurement, I will give a short introduction of what e-procurement is. E-procurement, also known as electronic procurement, is the process of purchasing goods, services, or works through electronic means, typically using the internet. It is a subset of supply chain management that focuses on the digitalization and automation of procurement activities. In traditional procurement, purchasing activities involve manual processes such as paper-based requests, physical contracts, and manual supplier selection. E-procurement streamlines these processes by leveraging technology to automate and digitize various stages of procurement, including requisitioning, sourcing, bidding, purchasing, and payment. E-procurement systems provide a platform for buyers and suppliers to interact electronically, facilitating the exchange of information and transactions. Now I'll be moving to Petronas e-procurement. Petronas sourcing is an e-procurement system developed and implemented by Petroleum Nasional Berhad, or known as Petronas, a global oil and gas company based in Malaysia. This system serves as a centralized platform to facilitate various procurement activities and streamline the supply chain management process. So here are some key features and functionalities of Petronas sourcing. So firstly is the supplier registration. This system allows suppliers to register their company information, capabilities, and product or service offerings. This enables Petronas to maintain an updated and comprehensive database of suppliers. Then secondly is request for quotation RFQ. Petronas Sourcing provides a module for creating RFQs where buyers can define their requirements, specifications, quantities, and delivery dates. The system sends out notifications to registered suppliers, inviting them to submit their quotations electronically. And then third, bidding and evaluation. Suppliers can access the RFQs online and submit their bids electronically. Petronas Sourcing enables the evaluation of bids based on predefined criteria such as price, quality, delivery time, and supply capabilities. The system facilitates the comparison of bids, allowing buyers to select the most suitable supplier. And then contract management. Petronas sourcing includes a contract management module where contracts can be created, managed, and monitored. It provides tools for contract drafting, negotiation, and approval workflows. The system also supports electronic signatures, enabling digital contract execution. And then, supplier performance management. The system allows Petronas to track and evaluate the performance of its suppliers. It provides mechanisms for recording supplier performance data such as delivery timeliness, quality of goods or services, and adherence to contractual obligations. This information helps in supplier performance assessment and future decision making. And then reporting and analytics. Petronas Sourcing generates various reports and analytics to provide insights into procurement activities. These reports may include spending analysis, supplier performance reports, saving reports, and other key performance indicators. The data generated by the system can be utilized to identify opportunities for process improvement and cost savings. So Petronas Sourcing is designed to streamline the procurement process, increase efficiency, and enhance transparency between Petronas and its suppliers. By leveraging technology and digitalization, the system aims to improve collaboration, reduce manual efforts, minimize errors, and achieve cost savings in the procurement process. So now I'll be talking about how e-procurement helps Petronas in supply chain management. So e-procurement plays a crucial role in helping Petronas manage their supply chain management effectively by digitizing and automating procurement processes. E-procurement systems like Petronas Sourcing contribute to streamlining and optimizing the overall supply chain. So here's how e-procurement helps Petronas in supply chain management. So firstly, efficiency and speed. E-procurement have eliminates manual and paper-based processes that reduce the time and effort required to complete procurement activities. This leads to faster procurement cycles, enabling Petronas to respond more quickly to supply chain demands. And then secondly, transparency and visibility. So e-procurement systems provide transparency and visibility into the procurement process. Petronas can track and monitor procurement activities in real time, gaining insights into supply performance, delivery timelines, and overall procurement performance. This visibility enhances control and enables proactive management of the supply chain. And then third, cost savings. E-procurement facilitates better supply management, competitive bidding, and contract negotiation. By optimizing supplier selection and negotiation processes, Petronas can achieve cost savings, improve pricing, and favorable contract terms. Additionally, e-procurement system provide data analytics capabilities that help identify cost-saving opportunities and drive efficiency in procurement decisions. And then supplier collaboration. E-procurement platforms foster improved collaboration between Petronas and its suppliers. The system facilitates electronic communication, enables online bidding and proposal submissions, and streamlines the exchange of information. Effective supplier collaboration strengthens the relationships, which ensures compliance and fosters innovation within the supply chain. And then compliance and governance. So e-procurement systems like Petronas sourcing provide standardized processes and enforce compliance with procurement policies and regulations. They ensure that procurement activities align with internal controls, mitigates risks, and promotes good governance throughout the supply chain. And then data-driven decision making. E-procurement generates valuable data and analytics that can be utilized for informed decision making. Petronas can analyze procurement data to identify trends, assess supplier performance, identify areas for improvement, and optimize procurement strategies. Data-driven insights enable Petronas to make better informed decisions for supply chain management.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Eza and I'll be presenting on the conclusion. In conclusion, Petronas has established itself as a leader in efficient supply chain management and has successfully embraced e-procurement practices. Through its strong focus on optimizing its supply chain, Petronas ensures the seamless flow of materials, minimize costs, management risks, and upholds sustainability across its operation. Petronas comprehensive supply chain management encompasses various key components, including strategic sourcing, logistics and transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. By strategically sourcing materials and services, Petronas secure high-quality raw materials to supply their consumers. Efficient logistic and transportation system enables Petronas to move raw materials, components, and finished products effectively. This involves utilizing diverse modes of transportation such as pipelines, ship, trucks, and others, depending on the nature of the product and its destination. Petronas also maintains strategically located warehouse and employs effective inventory management practices to ensure timely availability and optimize stock levels. Petronas' adoption of e-procurement has further revolutionized its procurement process. The utilization of a digital procurement platform has brought transparency, efficiency, and accessibility to the sourcing, bidding, and selection of suppliers. This centralized system facilitates supplier registrations, pre-qualification, purchase order management, contract administration, and electronic invoicing and payments. The automation of this process reduces manual efforts, minimize errors, speed up transactions, and enhance financial transparency. By leveraging e-procurement, Petronas also promotes collaboration and effective communication with its suppliers. The platform enables seamless information exchange, clarifications, and query resolutions, fostering efficient and transparent relationships. Additionally, e-procurements allow Petronas to evaluate supplier performance, identify areas for improvement, and foster continuous development, leading to stronger partnerships and better overall procurement outcomes. Petronas' commitment to sustainability and compliance is reflected in its supply chain and procurement practices. The company adheres to ethical sourcing principles, responsible environmental practice, and regulatory requirement. Through the adoption of e-procurement, Petronas ensures suppliers comply the predefined criteria, promoting ethical labor practices, environmental regulation, and health and safety standards. By embracing digital technology and sustainable practices, Petronas continue to drive efficiency, cost effectiveness, and value creation throughout its supply chain. That's all from us. Thank you.